It's how was it learning under him? Was he a strict teacher or?
No. Just like KVM, very easy, very jovial, and he writes himself for us, Sarigamalu and everything. He gives
Okay.
sing. I used to say, somebody has come. Hi, Anna.
She says hi. That was a
Very
surprise
easy.
for all my followers also
Yes,
on
yes.
Instagram. And yeah, Balamurali Krishna Garu, did he teach you Kirtanas or did he start from the basics?
No. I asked him from the basics.
Okay.
We came up to some Geetams.
Okay.
Then he was so busy. He was also traveling a lot, USA and abroad, everywhere. I used to go by 4:30 in the morning. So that time by auto, whatever it is,
4:30 in the morning you used to go for classes.
Even Kamal sir used to come there. Then
he was also learning with.
He was also learning.
Balamurali Garu. Wow. So you guys were students with Balamurali Krishna Garu.
Definitely.
Were you a better singer than Kamal Haasan? Come on, tell me.
Definitely.
Of course. For starting for basics. So when you started off around 15, in I think you were 1977, you started off. When you started off with Ilayaraja Garu, another singer had started her career right then, Jhansi.
No, she was my senior actually.
She was senior.
Jhansi was senior to me. So she
probably
sang
like
in
a few years, maybe a year or so, maybe.
Yeah, 1 year, a year.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. And you had a lot of combinations with her. Or rather, let me say, you both sang with Ilayaraja a lot at that time.
Not a lot. In fact, we sang only one song.
That is the one with Aayiram Malargale. Right?
Vasu sir, Vasu sir.
Vasu uncle, you and Jhansi, three of you. But
that was my third song.
Wow. That Niram Marada Pukal, I think, right?
Yes.
Niram Marada Pukal, Vijayan. And I somehow felt that, your careers were almost parallel. Yours and Jhansi's were almost literally parallel to each other. Did you have a relationship with Jhansi at all?
Till now.
Meet her?
Yeah.
Oh, you're still in touch?
We did a show at Salem, actually. Only Jhansi songs and my songs.
Lovely.
Went on very well, Charan. Lovely.
Amazing songs would have come out, no? All Ilayaraja says.
Beautiful songs.
Okay. So there are people asking me to comment to their comments. I need to answer or something. Folks, just understand that, I am trying to get as much information about Sailatta to you all. So if there is anything that I'm missing out, you just repeat the question a couple of times. So I will ask her your question. You know that Instagram has only 1 hour window. I will come to all the songs. There are requests for songs, Sailatta. Do you want to start off with the songs now? It will just go.
Your wish, Nana. I am comfortable. Your wish.
Then let's start off with Ve Vela Gopemala.
Okay. Somebody asked that?
Yes. Let me ask the Sneha Shri.
Telugu?
987. Ve Vela Gopemala and Telugu. Yes.
Okay. I'll sing definitely.
Teju says, hi Amma, love you so much.
Hi Teju. Thank you so much.
Okay, you go ahead. I'll look for the...
Okay. Ve Vela Gopemala Muva Gopalude Ma Muddu Govindude Muva Gopalude Ma Muddu Govindude ఆహా అన్నుల మిన్నల కన్నుల వెన్నెల వేణువులు దాడే మది వెన్నెలు దోచాడే వే వేల గోపెమ్మల మువ్వా గోపాలుడే మా ముత్తు గోవిందుడే. I'll sing only Pallavis, then we can.
Yeah, that is fine. We can cover more songs.
More songs.
Yeah. Let's do Samakori.
Okay, lovely. Samakori. ஏன் கோதம்மா சாமக்கோழி ஏ கோதம்மா ஆசையுள்ள நேரம் ஊருக்கெல்லாம் காவல் பக்கத்தில் வந்து சொல்லவா வெக்கத்தை விட்டு சாமக்கோழி ஏன் கூதம்மா.
Okay. Before we go to the next one, the first time you went to Guntur with Nana,
ம்.
were you nervous on stage with the dad being there? You said dad was
No.
nervous.
Dad was nervous. Definitely he was nervous. And I didn't even know how to plait my hair and everything like that. So I asked Appa, I don't know anything about my hair. Do something. He just
So
took
he
a
braided your
kerchief.
hair.
He braided. He just not even braided. He just put a kerchief. Not that's all. So he was so nervous, and he gave me the list of songs. So I know I'm almost all the songs because I used to sing for a lot of local stage
Orchestras.
shows.
So you need to practice all of these songs. Most of the songs that came out at
Yeah,
that time,
very
right?
well.
But I think you used to concentrate mostly on Susila Garu's songs.
Because
Is that right?
I love her. I love her voice. Appa used to tell me, Nana used to tell me, don't imitate her. You sing
Imitate.
your own, imitate her. Sing, you let us listen to your own voice. Why? Actually, what happened, in Telugu I am singing, her influence was there. But in Tamil I am singing, there is no influence.
I think you were not listening to too much of Susila Garu's Tamil songs at that time.
Tamil songs. So that time.
Okay. Now, your favorite of Susila Garu's?
My favorite?
I know there is so many, but it's just what
so many.
pops out. Something that
Just
immediately
now
pops
what
out.
yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
Yeah.
நாளை இந்த வேளை பார்த்து ஓடிவானிலா இன்று எந்தன் தலைவன் இல்லை சென்று வானிலா தென்றலே என் தனிமை கண்டு நின்று போய்விடு தென்றலே என் தனிமை கண்டு நின்று போய்விடு. Lot of songs. Now I remember this Pallavi. சொன்ன நினைத்த வார்த்தைகள் சொல்லாமல் போவதே சொல்ல வந்த நேரத்தில் பொல்லாத நாணம் மன்னன் நடைந்த பாதையில் என் கால்கள் போவதே மன்னன் நடைந்த பாதையில் என் கால்கள் போவதே பெண்மையே உன் தனிமை கண்டு நாணம் கொண்டதே நாணம் கொண்டதே.
What a song, What was your favorite to sing on stage, Susila Garu's Telugu song in those days when you were on stage?
That was it was a Telugu movie Tulabharam called Radhaku Nivera Pranam. That was I used to sing everywhere,
I must tell all of you people that was our national anthem in our house. So all of these aunts would be around, and when we had events and functions at home, and everybody was together and everything, and we had a singing session, they would wait to sing this song. Everybody has this is one of those songs, and there was another one also. You sing this. I will remember the other one.
Okay.
Go ahead.
రాధకు నీవేర ప్రాణం ఈ రాధకు నీవేర ప్రాణం రాధా హృదయం మాధవ నిలయం రాధా హృదయం మాధవ నిలయం ప్రేమకు దేవాలయం ఈ రాధకు నీవేర ప్రాణం. This one. What is the other one? Which one?
That's నావకు చెప్పండి అని.
That was, I'll tell you. రోజు ముత్యాల ముగ్గు song. నిదురించే తోటలోకి పాట ఒకటి వచ్చింది, కన్నుల్లో నీరు తుడిచి కమ్మని కల ఇచ్చింది. దిస్ వన్.
విఫలమైన నా
విఫల నా
కోర్కెలో.
కోర్కెలో
I don't remember listening to the original version, okay?
Especially Parvatata. She used to sing.
She's full of pathos and drama.
Yes.
I remember this song lyrically also because of you people. You're always singing this song.
You still remember that Vipalamaina na korkilo.
That Vipalamaina naku, and that lyric separation ఏంటో తెలీదు, దానికి అర్థం ఏమిటో తెలీదు. ఇట్లా వచ్చినట్టు విన్నట్టుగా పాడటమే.
పాడే, that's all.
అవును. లతా మంగేష్కర్ or ఆశా భోంస్లే?
It's difficult, but the voice, Lata Mangeshkar, beautiful voice. However she sings, it comes out very beautifully. And expression, Ashaji, like Susilamma,
I think,
Janaki Amma.
right. I was just going to say that the comparison was like that. Two greats which were pillars of Hindi industry and the South industry.
Telugu, yes.
Were Janaki Amma, and how did you remember? I know that song that you sang with Janaki Gar.
I sang lot of duets with her. I sang lot of. It was jolly, you know. She used to laugh a lot. Or Galata recording theatre la used to.
She was a naughty person
very naughty. You remember? I used to do one rat and push like this with handkerchief.
I know that hanky.
I learned from her.
Everybody who are watching this video, I just want to let you know that I will not be able to sing today because I want to make sure that we get songs from Selatta.
Hey, why not?
Please don't. No, I'm doing this every Sunday, Selatta. So I'm singing almost every, and it's the same list that people are asking. So that's why. One of my favorite of yours, I know you don't like to sing it, and it is not very appropriate to sing here because I know you need to be like standing and all of that and everything. But I would like you to sing if you can do that couple of lines on the Charanam. Lalu Darwaza.
I'll sing. Just I'll have water.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I had to stand and sing, but I'll sing that.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want Pallavi or Charanam?
Your wish. I think Pallavis are better, no, for you?
Okay, better. లాలు దర్వాజలస్కర్ బోనాల్ పండగ కస్తనని రాకపోతివి, లటీకా పూలు పోరికి లబ్బర్ గాజులెస్తనని దాకపోతివి, ఓ మల్ల ఒట్టి జూట మాట చెప్పి వచ్చేదాకా లొల్లి పెట్టి పట్టుకుంటే పోరగాడు పలకనామ పారిపోయే లాలు. Kiravani sir used to tell that is the best part of the song.
You won a state award for that, right? That song?
Not for this. Sita Mandalu.
Oh, what a song!
Sita Mandalu. That for that.
Shubha Sankalpam.
Shubha Sankalpam. Lovely song.
Please.
Okay. Sita Mandalu, Ramaya Gotralu, Raghuramaya Vainalu, Sitama Sutralu. సీతమ్మ అందాలు, రామయ్య గోత్రాలు, రఘురామయ్య వైనాలు, సీతమ్మ సూత్రాలు. ఏకమవ్వాలంటే ఎన్ని యాత్రాలు, ఏకమైన చోట వేద మంత్రాలు, ఏకమైన చోట వేద మంత్రాలు. సీతమ్మ అందాలు, రామయ్య గోత్రాలు, రఘురామయ్య వైనాలు, సీతమ్మ సూత్రాలు.
So while you were busy as a singer and your career was nice and peak and your flag was high, flying high as a singer, suddenly Sagar Sangamam happened. How did that happen? How and why?
How means actually we all went to America, Pedananna for Sankarabharanam. You remember?
Yes,
That's
81. I think.
81.
Yes.
81, he was actually cooking the story then.
Oh, he was preparing
Peddana.
Sagar Sangamam then.
Preparing, actually.
Okay.
After that, in 82, I did my Arangetra.
Mm.
With Pallavi and me, we both did Arangetra. He saw
This
the
was
pictures.
this was in Chidambaram. Chidambaram temple,
That
right?
was Gajja Puja, Salangi Puja.
Oh,
Chidambaram,
this
we did.
was
You
in
also
Rani
danced.
Sidai Hall. Rani Sidai
Rani
Hall.
Sidai Hall. In
Right.
Chidambaram, you did dance. I remember.
Yes, I did. I remember I danced also. I don't know why I danced,
Yeah.
but yeah.
In front of the deity we dance, That
Yeah,
that day
yeah.
it was pouring, downpouring.
I remember so many people. I think I'm not sure if they came to see us dance, but I think they were all running away from the rain and came into that mandapam.
Anyhow, we were blessed.
Yes, I'm sure we really
And
were.
after that, we did Arangetram in Rani Sidai Hall. So he
Yes.
saw the pictures, my Arangetram pictures, and he and Edhi Nageswara Garu, Purnodaya producer, they thought Shailaja is nice, so why don't we just try her? And I think they first asked Anna, and he asked me. I said, no, I'm not going to act anymore. I'm not going to act. I'm not at all interested. And finally, they went to Tatagaru.
Your
And
dad,
finally,
my grandfather.
my dad. Tatagaru, he went my dad. And finally, Appa said, why don't you do Ma? Anna is there. He'll take care of you. So I put a lot of restrictions. All my dresses, my thing, and everything, costumes and everything should be mine. Like that.
So did you go shopping for that movie?
Yeah, no. All are my costumes, my own dresses.
Oh, your own
But I have
costumes.
own costumes, and even for dance, Bharatanatyam, for filmy dance, I had my costumes.
You went to
Jewelry
Mylapore and bought. I remember you going and buying all the jewelry and all of that.
Jewelry and
Okay. And I really have this whole, I don't know what to say, but I've asked you so many times to act in my movies. Nice characters. You never accepted. Why?
That was my first and last. I am not at all comfortable, Charan, in front of camera.
It doesn't
dancing.
seem like that when you did Salangayoli.
That credit goes to Vishwanath Garu. He was there always. He acted and showed me how you did just like this. That's all. Whatever he said, I did.
So he would tell you the expressions and everything.
Everything. Even I do when when doing that what song Om Namah Shivaya, I'll do like this and something. Everything he told me.
He taught you. How was it working with Kamal Hassan?
You,
I know you know him before itself with Balamurali Garu.
Not as much close like Jayaprada or something like that.
Right.
I'm comfortable with him, but dancing with him in front of him, you just think Om Namah Shivaya. He was sitting in the audience and I'm dancing. I simply said, I'm not doing this, going away. And Purnodaya Nageswara uncle, he went to Anna. What is this? This girl is telling me she's going off. Anna came and he told something. Finally, see, you do one step, everybody will clap, then you do. Otherwise, you are not going to do. So I did one step, everybody clapped. I think he arranged somebody there. Finally, it came out well. But acting is a little bit easy, Charan, in front of him. But dancing in front of him, it's very difficult. Because I know how he dances.
You never bothered about Ilayaraja, the 60-piece orchestra there. You were like, ignorant of all that.
Nijama. I was ignorant.
But when you came to acting, you were a bit conscious, I think.
Conscious. Acting, I was conscious. Even dancing in front of that Vedam song we did, me and Kamal Hassan, sir.
That shooting happened in Nadigar Sangam, no?
Nadigar Sangam. You came, I think,
I came to that sequence, and then the last sequence where he dies, that was shot in Andhra Mahila Sabha.
Andhra Mahila Sabha.
I remember meeting Sarath Babu Garu at that time. He was teaching us some tricks and all that. And, it was
we were playing.
I know, we were playing until your shot came late in the night. I remember that bit also.
Yes.
There was somebody had mentioned that in one of the stage shows, Dad had come and gave you a really tight hug after you singing a particular song. Do you remember that situation, and do you remember that
Yes,
song that you sang?
I should remember that. That was my national award actually.
This is asked by Rayam Bharat. Rayam
Hi,
Bharat.
Rayam.
Yeah, he's the one who asked this performance first time. Can you please share memories about that? Like which
Yeah,
year,
sure.
which performance?
I think it is 1992 or in between 92 94, Charan. 94, I
Okay.
think. It's in
Okay.
Hyderabad. We did A Sham Mastani. It's completely tribute to
Yes.
R.D. Burman, sir.
R.D. Burman, sir.
It's a lovely show.
I
Were you
remember I
there?
was there. I was there, but I wasn't part of the show. I didn't do any production because I just came for a holiday from US.
A small kid then.
Yes.
So I sang that Sapna Mera Toot Gaya song.
Yes, I remember.
Sapna Mera, that song. So a lot of dialogues and dialogues were there. Anna was so, he was like, Shaila, you have to sing that song. You know, no? Be ready, that song, you have to sing. The dialogues, everything. Then I thought, oh, Venda, show Venda. இதுக்குப்பா இவ்வளவு tension. So I was praying, கடவுளே, please help me, help me, help me. And it came out lovely, came out very well. That song.
I remember all those Bollywood people were there. Rajesh Khanna and
Rajesh
Javed
Khanna,
Akhtar.
Gulzar
The
sir,
whole Gulzar, and
Venkatesh
the
ji
whole
sir,
yeah, the whole stadium was for a minute blown away by your
very,
performance.
And
It took
then
them a
Anna
while
came and
to.
hugged me.
Yeah, it was. I think one of your best performances that I have
Yes,
seen.
one of
That
my
one,
best
and then the first time you sang Attan Nattan on stage. I think it was one of our
stage.
US tours. I think
Long, US.
that was the first time you sang that song.
I
And
sang.
I think I was studying there at that time when you guys were touring.
Yes.
Appudu, you had sang that song, and I thought that it was just
You know,
amazing
Susilama sang
rendition
it
of yours.
so, yes, very well. And even Shami Kapoor came to Susilama's place and he offered a bouquet for that song, Susilama.
Wow.
Because I love Shami Kapoor a lot. I love him.
I think
very nice.
see we all grew up watching Shami Kapoor films in our
Yes,
house.
yes.
Movies
Rafi
like
sir songs.
Jangli and
Jangli,
Rafi songs. I remember all of you mostly would play Mohammed Rafi songs rather than Kishore
Songs at
Kumar
home.
songs.
Yes,
I think there is always a debate whether it's Kishore Kumar is a better singer or Rafi was a better singer. But in our house, we never had that issue.
Only Rafi.
Only Rafi. It was only Rafi. And the female singers, obviously, Lata, Asha Bhonsle always were there. But Rafi was always our favorites, I think.
Charan, somebody asked about my talking about you.
I'm not bringing that question up because I cannot ask you that, no?
Why not? I am asking.
Okay, you can go ahead and answer.
Let's see who is that. So, okay, whoever it is.
Okay, yeah, I'll find that name if I can.
That's okay.
You go ahead.
Whoever it is. Okay. Charan is a lovely boy and very, very happy. I always love to sing with him on stage, on recording, everywhere. Wherever he is, there will be laughter and very, very, very positive atmosphere. He's he's a lovely, God bless him. Singing, everything, that support, that's okay. But lovely person, bubbly person, God bless him with abundance of everything.
Thank you, Salta. So sweet. That was asked by Panchakshari 77.
Panchakshari. I have a lovely picture of yours. Can I show you?
Oh, you do? Yes, please.
ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి?
Close to your camera, phone camera దగ్గరికి. This was, I think, in America అనుకుంటా. అమెరికా నుంచి వచ్చినప్పుడు అనుకుంటా ఇక్కడ.
Yes.
For your wedding only, I think.
Yes.
Abba, look how I am. Young.
You're so young. So chubby.
I know. Fat, it was called those days.
But you look lovely, Charan, then. You're chubby
Yeah,
and
yeah.
lovely. You
Yeah.
now are handsome. That's okay.
One more song I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
ஆசைய காத்துல தூது விட்டு.
A lovely song. I love that song. Okay. ஆசைய காத்துல தூது விட்டு ஆடிய பூவுல வாடப்பட்டு சேதிய கேட்டொரு ஜாட தொட்டு பாடுது பாட்டு ஒண்ணு குயில் கேக்குது பாட்ட நின்னு ஆசைய காத்துல தூது விட்டு ஆடிய பூவுல வாடப்பட்டு we used to sing on stage.
I know.
You used to
How
sing.
did? Yeah, I remember being backing vocals for most of the songs, teaching all the kids the vocals and all of that. Suddenly, you became a dubbing artist. How did that happen?
That was for a Telugu movie, Vijay Bapanidu sir. They are trying a new voice for Radhikamma. It's a bubbly character, Radhikamma's. It's Patnam Vachina Pativratalu.
Pativratalu.
So, Pativratalu. I went for the audition and they said, no. Your voice is so childish, so thin. So I said, no, it's okay. Then next day they came again. Bapanidu sir wants your voice only. It's exactly like Radhikamma's. So I did that one. I don't know how I did that, but it came out very well. And after that, I got lot of chances for dubbing. So it's happened like that.
I think your favorite, my favorite of yours was for Tabu in that Nagarjuna's film.
Ninne Pelladta.
Ninne Pelladta. Well, I think it was an
It's a
epic
lovely
film.
movie. Lovely movie. And I did for that Vasanta Kokila, Moondram Pirai, Telugu dubbing for Sridevi.
Somebody did ask for a dialogue from Vasanta Kokila.
Vasanta Kokila, adila ondume irukadu. Chino, avladha varum. Chino, Chino. So, it's a lovely experience for dubbing Sridevi. It's very lovely experience. Gopi Garu, you remember Gopi sir? Lyricist Gopi Garu.
Writer, yes, Gopi Garu, yeah.
He did that movie.